Welcome. In this video series of special tools in VectorMotion, I will be explaining in depth the tools and their hidden features, starting with the pen tool. The pen tool is an essential tool in VectorMotion, which gives it a larger difference between it and other graphic designing Android softwares. Make designing in VectorMotion more cooler and easier because of its good efficiency. Using the pen tool in VectorMotion has been a great lucky tool in designing logotype design. Talking of which, after this series of special tools in VectorMotion, we will be designing a logotype design in which I will post in this channel. So if you are interested in it, like and subscribe and comment in this video pen tool project. Hidden features. Well, the pen tool hidden feature is the max tool. A lot of people will find it difficult to use it. Why do I say so? Because when you scroll down to your style of the object to apply mask, you won't see a way to apply it. To apply mask to an object in VectorMotion, click on the pen tool, and in the option given, click the second option and then apply the mask tool. If you made a mistake in applying the mask tool wrongly, then you can use the direct selection tool to adjust it. If you don't know how to use it, don't worry, because a video is coming about it soon. Alright, like, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to comment pen tool project and what video I should upload next. See you in the next one.